Welcome back to my backyard snack yard on a beautiful, quite sunny end of July day here in Dorset, England. We're just out in my sunniest spot here. It's in my little courtyard where I hang my laundry up, and we're having a look at my grapevine. This one is grown in a container, and the first strawberry grapes are starting to turn color. I have been picking them off and they're so sweet. They really taste of strawberry. They're a little bit seedy and a little bit on the small side. I'll just show you. They're this big here. But they are so good. They're so good. Oh my goodness, I just love them. So it's doing really well in this container. We've had a very dry, very hot for us summer. So I think it's liked it. I've tried to keep it watered because containers obviously dry out a lot faster. This morning we actually had our first rain in ages. It was such a happy sight, such a lovely sound. Really refreshing and beautiful. So I think that made all the plants really happy. Here we've got a little Chilean guava with the first berries forming here, lovely. But the real reason I wanted to come out here just now was because I wanted to look at my Granny Smith apple tree. A few years ago I bought this one here. It's not doing that well this year. It fruited quite a lot last year, and then this year it's been beset by ants which have been forming little bugs, look. So not good. But this one that I bought as a Granny Smith turned out to be a Golden Delicious. And when I contacted the sellers, they just ignored me. And so we ended up with this one as another Golden Delicious. We already had a Golden Delicious, so we have two, and they are wonderful apples. Honestly, beautiful apple trees and great apples. But then over here, last year, I then found another Granny Smith in the supermarket, supposed to be a dwarf one, and I thought, let's just try it once more. It can't be mislabeled constantly. So I got this one here, and it flowered last year, but then we didn't get any fruits. But then this year it flowered and has set a number of fruits. And I've been watching them slowly set and start to fatten up a little bit, all that kind of thing. And they're just a very sort of pale pink color. And I keep thinking, well, you know, I'm actually Golden Delicious. They're quite a nice pinkish hue to them sometimes before they then turn completely golden. So I was thinking, you know, these ones could be ones that first are a bit red and then turn completely green. So it is a possibility. It just doesn't look like they're turning, and I don't know, they just look really red to me. And I've been online looking for images of unripe Granny Smiths to sort of see if they're supposed to look like this, and I couldn't find any. So if anyone out there is growing a Granny Smith, could you let me know if they're meant to look like this at this stage, after which they will turn a beautiful green? Otherwise, time will tell. I'm sure I'll find out eventually when I go to pick them. These apples themselves are looking beautiful. So it'll be fun to see if they are indeed Granny Smiths, hopefully. So thank you for joining me. I look forward to hearing from you, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.